All right, it's Saturday, and we are going to fix this quick attach plate. You can see some cracks. Ran all the way around, all the way up to there, and look at that mess. Oh, we'll just put some weld on it. It'll work. And that's the underside. So we're going to get with this and we're going to get rid of this mess, and we're going to get this thing fixed today. All right, we got this thing arc gouged out. We can see the crack perfectly now. So we got that one gouged out. We got this one gouged out. And you can see the crack. It cracked and separated. And then we got a crack all the way to there and halfway around. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to take care of this side right now. And then we're going to flip it over. Alright, we got this side all welded up. So we're going to have to get this flipped over and get the other side done. I'm going to go take me some lunch. Alright, we got most of it done. Got it all welded. Got all that welded. Got all that welded on top. What I'm going to do tomorrow is flip it up on its side and get in there. There's only 4 fingers to get in there, so I welded all that flat, and then I'll weld on the side flat as well. That way I get good penetration. That's all 1-inch plate. So this is pretty much done. Just maybe another hour and to clean up this mess. So that's my Saturday. I am out of here. All right, it's Sunday. Came in and got her finished up. Ran multiple passes. So this crack went all the way through. As you can see, it went all the way through there. So once it was cracked here, it put stress on this side. So I went ahead and ran some passes on the inside and got that welded up, as well as both of those lowers. And then where it cracked through here is multiple pass and welds around. Everywhere where it was stressed, it got welded. So this is done. This will be out of here.